तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल.
Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are joining in. Let us start with the next topic, parts of speech. I have specifically taken this topic because it was asked for the first time perhaps in CDS examination, CDS 2022, and people were baffled with the kind of questions that were asked. So let us take them one by one. Let us start with a few basics. Let us understand and then solve. So, parts of speech, let us start with some basics. Interjection. This is commonly not known because it is not used in normal parlance. It is used to show a sudden feeling of happiness, anger, sorrow, etc. Examples: alas, they all went under the avalanche. Alas, here is showing sorrow. Hooray, we have won. The word hooray shows happiness. These are interjections. Next, adverb. It is used to qualify the verb, adjective, or other adverbs in a sentence. Examples: we did our work carefully. How did we do our work? Carefully. The players played the game beautifully. Beautifully is qualifying how they played. Adjective. To qualify a noun or pronoun in a sentence. He is a good boy. It is qualifying the word boy. The word good is qualifying the word boy. Good is adjective. People saw that the well was deep. How was the well? Deep. It is the deep word is qualifying the word well. Well is a noun. Deep is a adjective. Next, conjunction. It is used to join two words, phrases, or sentences. Come here and join us for dinner. Come here is an independent statement. Join us for dinner is an independent statement, and it is joined by and. And is a conjunction. They went for a trip but did not buy anything. But is a conjunction. So let us solve a few MCQs. The underlined words you should be able to identify the parts of speech. Alas, we have been defeated. What is it? Alas. Adjective, connector, interjection, interrogative. I'll take a pause. Please mark. You can drop your answers in the comment section below. May you be blessed with all good things in life. What is all here? Verb, adverb, noun, pronoun. Next. Solve these three. Honesty is the best policy. What is honesty here? Countable noun, pronoun, common noun, uncountable noun. There is many a slip between the cup and the lip. What is between here? Preposition, adverb, connector, conjunction. Next, he is the most sought after school teacher. What is the here? Determiner, adverb, adjective, interjection. I hope you have marked your answers. Keep noting them down in a notebook or keep a special notebook for solving MCQs, English MCQs. That would be better. Check your answers. In the first question, alas is an interjection. Okay. Next, all good things in life. Yeah, that all was qualifying the adjective good. Honesty. Honesty is uncountable noun or abstract noun, more specifically abstract noun. Fourth was A, between. Between, we have seen in preposition and conjunction chapter, it is preposition. Determiner is a new thing, being a determiner. Then what is a determiner? A determiner is a word which is used at the beginning for referring to one thing or several. Common English determiners are a, the, some, this, and each. To refer to something is determiner. Okay, we will stop here, and we will keep solving such MCQs. We will solve MCQs even outside the PYQs, that is previous year question paper, so that you get the broader perspective. And do join us, join the written examination batches that are starting from January 2023 for more such sessions. Thank you.